IBM Cognos Analytics, my honest review, and user experience. Is it worth it? Data analytics can be overwhelming, but IBM Cognos Analytics promises to simplify the process, helping businesses turn raw numbers into clear insights. I've used it for several months, and here's my honest take on whether it's really worth it. Most people assume tools like Cognos are only for big corporations, but the surprising truth is that it's become much more accessible. The interface is modern and intuitive, even for users who aren't data experts. During my testing, I connected Cognos to various data sources, spreadsheets, cloud databases, even Salesforce, and the setup was smooth. What impressed me most was the iAssistant. You can literally type a question like "show me quarterly sales by region," and it generates visual charts instantly. The dashboard customization is another strong point. I was able to build interactive reports with drag and drop widgets, filters, and storytelling tools that make data presentations actually engaging. Performance-wise, Cognos handles large datasets well, though it can feel slower during complex queries. The learning curve is moderate, easier than legacy tools, but still requires some training to fully master. For businesses, the biggest value lies in automation. Once you set up your reports, Cognos updates them automatically using the latest data. That means less manual work and fewer reporting errors. The only downside is cost. It's on the premium side compared to tools like Power BI or Tableau. But for enterprises that need secure, scalable, and AI-enhanced analytics, the investment pays off. Overall, IBM Cognos Analytics is a powerful blend of intelligence and simplicity. If your goal is to make smarter, data-driven decisions with minimal hassle, it's absolutely worth considering.